This blog post story is taken from correctng.com and it has the caption, "I told Google to take down my app from Play Store, Adamu Garba." Chieftain of the All Progressive Congress and IT strategist Adamu Garba says he asked Google to take down his social media app, Crowwe, from Play Store because he needed to update the code. The chief executive officer of the IPI group said this during a chat with The Punch on Monday. He added that the app would be back up latest by Tuesday. Garba, who backed the ban of Twitter in Nigeria, said that since the microblogging site was suspended over a week ago, thousands of Nigerians had migrated to Crowwe. He added that it was in a bid to make some improvements that he asked Google to take down the app. On whether the app was removed due to the complaints by Nigerians, Garba said this was not true, adding that Google does not remove apps from its Play Store solely because of complaints. "We took down Crowwe app because we are trying to update the codes and then put it back up. There are some bugs which we identified which can prevent future downloads, so we decided to bring it down, edit the code and put it back up. Yes, a lot of people have been posting reports, but it has no effect on the app. The truth is that before you publish an app, you have to pass through a lot of audits, and a lot of these people commenting don't know. The app being installed has nothing to do with the user, but has everything to do with the app itself. There is a bug affecting the contact list information, so we had to submit a support report to take it down, which was done. We are almost done with the publishing and we will push it back and it might be installed tonight or tomorrow morning," he said. So let's go over to the comment section and hear what people have to say. Augustus Omon says, "Smooth lies. We are already aware of how the app failed due to poor recommendations and we are just fine with it." Callista says, "Yes, I was there when you told Google and they pleaded with you that your app was the best, but you insisted that they take it down." Harry says, "Is it weird that I didn't know that he had an app? It's like I have left Nigeria without my knowledge." Ogechi Juliet says, "You created something and told Google to take it down for you. You don't know how to take down accounts anymore. What was your reason for creating it in the first place? We are now Sorosoke generation. We are out for any of you." Olga says he claims he wants to update the app, as if the app must be deleted first before updating it. The app was deleted after many Nigerians reported it as a terrorist app. Once Nigerian youths are against you, your own don't finish. Sammy says, "You for use the name Crowwe. It was reported and taken down. Bad reviews, no security, safety or privacy. Updating has nothing to do with removing an app. See how core northerners have been quiet on this story. The topic passed their medulla oblongata." And John says, "Why would you tell Google to take down your app when you can easily remove it same way you publish it on Play consoles?" Shima says, "When federal government banned Twitter, they started talking about all the social media platforms paying taxes to Nigerian government before they are allowed to operate on the Nigerian internet space. Federal government doesn't realize that the Americans and Europeans are united and cooperative with one another. And injury to one is injury to all. If federal government bans Twitter, all the other platforms would victimize Nigeria, including Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. All of them will show solidarity to Twitter. If Nigerians wish to create their own indigenous social media apps, let them as well create their own internet services, or they must pay taxes to Google before creating their own platforms using Google services. You do me, I do you. God no go vex." Guys, this is all the comments that I can read on this story that Adamu Garba says he told Google to remove his app from the Play Store. Funny as it is, there are so many comments here stating that he's lying. What is your opinion about the story? Do you actually believe that he actually told Google to remove it, or do you think it's just one of those stories to lie to the ordinary man on the street? I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section. And while you are doing that, don't forget that if you're not subscribed to this channel, do turn on your post notification. Of course, that is after you have subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this story to your friends and family. Until I come your way, it's goodbye from Say It As It Is with O.